वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने कहा है कि पाकिस्तान को तारीख़ के बदतरीन सैलाब का सामना है, जिसमें लाखों अफराद नकल मकानी पर मजबूर हो गए हैं। दुनिया भर में 200 ममालिक से इमदाद की अपील की है, जिस पर खुसूसी परवाज़ों के ज़रिए सामान आ रहा है। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म ने आलमी मीडिया के नुमाइंदों से गुफ्तगू में अज़्म ज़ाहिर किया कि एक एक पाई शफ़ाफ अंदाज से ज़रूरतमंदों तक पहुँचाई जाएगी, जिसमें किसी सिफारिश और सियासत का अमल दखल नहीं होगा।
Flood situation is probably the worst in the history of Pakistan. Millions of people have been displaced. People are shelterless. They need food, medical treatment, and the government of Pakistan, along with the provincial governments and with our rescue agencies like NDMA, rescue people, provide relief, and they have moved thousands and thousands of people to safe places, and you have seen things for yourself. I am seeing it every day. The damage to our infrastructure is very vast and spread all over Pakistan. We are trying to provide shelter, tents. We had appealed to our brothers and friends all over the world who have responded to our appeal. As you know, charter flights are landing all over Pakistan. Other countries are providing cash, kind. We are all very grateful to relief work which is going on under the supervision of federal government, provincial governments, and of course the effort of Pakistan's armed forces. This needs to be done at a much bigger scale. Every penny will be spent in a very transparent fashion. Every penny will reach the needy. No political influence will work. That's my commitment, that's our commitment.